Introducing the Cuisinart Coffee Maker, a 12-cup programmable drip coffee machine in a sleek black design. With the Cuisinart DCC 3000, you can have your coffee on demand. This coffee maker dispenses 1 cup at a time with an easy-to-use actuator, giving you the perfect cup every time. The double-wall coffee reservoir can hold up to 12 cups, ensuring you always have a fresh brew ready. The coffee gauge lets you know how many cups are left, so you never run out. Plus, the included charcoal water filter keeps your coffee tasting great by eliminating any chlorine, bad tastes, and odors from tap water. The Cuisinart DCC 3000 is fully programmable, offering a 24-hour advanced brew start, programmable auto shut-off, self-clean, and a 1 to 4 cup setting for smaller brews. You can easily remove both the coffee and water reservoirs for easy cleanup. Let's take a closer look at the features and benefits of this coffee maker. The removable water reservoir detaches from the unit for easy filling. The drip tray plate holds the removable drip tray in place, which catches any excess coffee and residual condensation. The coffee reservoir, with its double-wall insulation, keeps your coffee hot for hours. The built-in charcoal water filter ensures that your coffee tastes fresh and clean. The coffee scoop allows for easy measuring, and the coffee gauge displays the amount of brewed coffee remaining in the reservoir. The control panel is easy to use, with hour and minute buttons for setting the time and automatic functions. The function knob allows you to initiate programming, such as auto on, auto off, program, clock, and brew. Additional features include the clean setting, which notifies you when it's time to clean your coffee maker, ensuring a longer lifespan. The 1 to 4 cup setting improves extraction, flavor, and temperature when brewing smaller amounts. When you're ready to enjoy your coffee, simply use the dispenser lever to pour it into your mug or travel cup. The shower head evenly distributes water over the coffee grounds, reducing temperature loss and ensuring a flavorful brew every time. The dispenser light illuminates when the dispensing lever is pressed, and the power loss backup system protects your program settings in case of any power failure. The ready tone signals the end of the brew cycle, and the gold tone Cuisinart commercial style filter holds our permanent or paper filters for easy cleaning. Rest assured that this coffee maker is BPA-free, with all materials that come in contact with liquid being safe for use. So why wait? Get your Cuisinart coffee maker today and enjoy a cup of freshly brewed coffee without the hassle. Remember to refer to the user guide for complete instructions.